In August of 2002, in a lab located at Changsha National High-Tech Innovation Park, with a dream of let every diabetic in China have their own glucometer, Sinocare was founded and started to be the first promoter mixed glucometer widespread in China. A promise for love is the slogan of Sinocare, which is quoted from the poem of Khalil Gibran. In March of 2012, with a bell ringing in Shenzhen Stock Exchange, Sinocare went public and became the first glucometer stock in China. In less than 5 years, the compound growth rate of Sinocare's sales revenue has reached 53.7%, also ranked number 1 in the domestic retail market. Sinocare has proved to be the real leader in glucometer market. Sinocare has been always focusing on the building and improving of its R&D capabilities. With continuously investment on R&D, Sinocare has strengthened its competence on product development and design. In addition, Sinocare has been enhancing its manufacturing capability, optimizing production process, and has improved the quality and stability of its products. Sinocare has established its technical advantages, such as isolated production lines with multi-links, production tooling development, semi-finished products testing, and etc. In 2013, the first phase of Sinocare manufacturing base has been put into service, and it has become the largest blood glucose monitoring products manufacturing base in Asia. The annual output of this manufacturing capacity has reached 5 billion blood glucose meters and 2 billion blood glucose test strips. We have a broad range of products for our customers. The current product line includes POCT product, mobile and diabetes self-management product. In the near future, advanced technologies like continuous glucose monitors, Bluetooth insulin pen, and insulin pump will be added to our portfolio. Now, Sinocare has 74 sales offices across China and has access to more than 80,000 sales terminals. Our customer service covers all levels of market in China. Besides, we have sold our products to more than 20 countries. Sinocare has professional service team that is able to offer our clients with worry-free service. With more than 10 years' effort, Sinocare has transitioned from the glucometer promoter in China to the glucometer and diabetes care expert in China, making progress without halt. In the future, Sinocare will continue to work on innovation of science and technology, provide customer-oriented service, and adhere to our core values, honor the commitment, dedicate to healthcare. Sinocare will become metabolic disease expert by developing core strengths on information technology, healthcare management, and diabetes care to create a global business with a wide range of influence on diabetes management. With its incomparable vision, attitude, and expertise, Sinocare will create a promising future for diabetics.